Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Heyday application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, open up your Google Play Store for your Android and App Store for your iOS, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in Heyday. Look for this application from Supercell and tap on the Install or the Get button. You may also see the little cloud icon. Simply tap on that and wait for the application to install. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and the app should start to open. You can then start playing Heyday. Heyday is a free-to-play but offers optional in-game purchases, and the game requires an online connection. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.